Today we got the basketball hoop. It's the model number. Yep, made from China, like everything else. Came with two of these wrenches. I'm using that. Tighten it up, make it easier. Came with two nuts. As you can see, we messed up there. So we're gonna turn that crap around. So here, I don't like how fragile it would be with one screw. So I'm gonna drill a hole through it. Be all right. There you go. So now we're just tightening everything up. So we're measuring here. According to NBA, it's 10 foot, but it's all right. Not really 10 foot. We're short by about 4 inches or so, but we couldn't put it any higher. It'd be real fragile. So it's about 9 foot 7 inches. Not bad. Everything's tightened up. So now we're gonna lift it up. Carter, where you at? Come on. Hold it. Put it where you need it. All right. Hold it, bitch. So, water's supposed to go here, but we'll do that later. I don't think that's enough water to hold it, but all right. You got a 25 weight pound there. Would help. Put the 35 there later. There it is. Let's try it. It's a winter day and it's shifting around, but let's see how this helps. Recommend sand or water right here. We're doing water. I ain't going to no store buying no sand. These right here to make it a little stable. It helps though. What else can you get for 60 bucks? Not bad. Alright. Alright, now everything's up. Now we're gonna make our first basket. Let's go.